Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to another lesson of English. And you know very well that we are doing double letter phonograms from Iqra Joint Handwriting Series 1. Yes. Students, as you know, we have covered our first 3 double letter phonograms and we have learned the sounds, plus we have done the written work also. I hope you all have completed your work. Now before starting our new lesson, let's revise our previous phonograms and then we'll move forward towards our new work. Okay, let's start telling me the sound of this phonogram. Sh of fish, E of tree, Z of teeth, Z of this. Clear? Now let's move forward towards our next 3 phonograms. First of all, we will learn the sounds and then we will do the written work. Okay, it's for today's first double letter phonogram and it has 2 sounds. Let's start reading the first sound. Ow, cow. Ow, cow. O, window. O, window. So it has 2 sounds. Ow, o. Ow, o. It's our next phonogram and it has 4 sounds. Let's start reading the first sound. Ow, shout. Ow, shout. O, shoulder. O, shoulder. Oo, soup. Oo, soup. Jealous. Jealous. It has 4 sounds. First one, ow, o, oo, ow, o, oo, Clear, students? Let's move forward towards our third phonogram. It's for today's third phonogram and it also has 2 sounds. First one, oo, boot. Oo, boot. O, book. O, book. Oo, oo. Oo, boot. O, book. First sound is long sound and second sound is short sound. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, students, after learning the sounds, you will do your written work, and if you have done your written work on writing series, then you will do your written work on notebook. Okay, and if you have not done on writing series, then you will do your work here on page number 36. Now come towards your activity page, and what is your activity? Read and match. First of all, we will read the given words and then we will match after this. Let's start reading. Okay, students, let's start reading. You know the sounds of this phonogram? Okay. Ow, owl. Ow, cow. O, bowl. O, row. 2 sounds. Ow, o. Our next phonogram. Ow, cloud. O, shoulder. Oo, group. Nervous. Ow, o, oo, Or today's last phonogram. Oo, broom. Oo, moon. O, foot. O, cook. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Okay, students, after reading these words, you will match the words with the pictures and then we will move forward towards the written work. Let's move forward towards writing. Okay, students, let's move forward towards writing. Tell me names of lines. First of all, top line, mid line, base line, bottom line. We are going to start from base line and you will tell me sound of today's first phonogram. Yes. Side by side we will read the sound. Ao, o, ao, o, ao, o. We will touch the lines properly. Ao, o, ao, o, ao, o. First part of W you will make like V, and second part you will make like U. Or today's next phonogram, sounds. Side by side writing. Ao, o, u, a. Ao, o, u, a. Ao, o, u, a. Make the proper triangle, then touch the lines properly. Okay. Or today's last phonogram is oo, 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 oo. Touch the lines properly. Ooh, 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 ooh. Clear, students? In this way you will complete your writing. And now let me show you notebook presentation. If you have done your written work on writing series, then you will do your written work on notebook. Okay students, it's your notebook presentation. As you know, you will mark English date, page number and Islamic date. Then you will mark 2 finger gap plus double margin line on left side, 1 finger gap plus single margin line on right side. Then you will write your first phonogram 4 times on top line. Then you will skip 3 lines for homework. Then you will write your second phonogram, and then you will skip 2 lines for homework, and then you will write your third phonogram, and you will complete your work. Okay students, complete your work and learn the sounds, plus complete the activity page also on writing series. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.